सो हेलो गाइस, दिस इज राजेश सिंह एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज की वीडियो एक ट्यूटोरियल वीडियो होने वाली है। आज मैं आपको एक ट्रांजिशन सिखाऊंगा एडोबी प्रीमियर प्रो में, जो कि इतना इजी टू अप्लाई, इजी टू यूज़ है। अगर आज भी कोई एडोबी प्रीमियर प्रो चलाना सीख रहा है आज की डेट में भी, तो वो भी इसे ईजिली अपनी वीडियो में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। एंड दिस ट्रांजिशन आर सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड सीमलेस दैट कैन ईजिली चेंज द वाइब ऑफ अ वीडियो. So without wasting your time, let's go to my screen and learn how to do this transition. Okay, so for this effect you need two videos. I'm using these stock footages of the drone. You can see this. So I will going to apply this effect on these clips. So you just have to put your first video in upper layer and second under it like this. Then you just have to search linear right on your effect panel and just drag this into your first video. So now you can see nothing is changed. Just go to the first frame of your second video and just see here there is a linear wipe option. You can just toggle this animation and go to the last frame of your first video like this and do this transition completion equals to 100. Okay, so now you can see the video is changing from one to another, but this line is disgusting. We don't want this line, so just go to the feather option and according to your preference, you can just increase this. I generated 2 to 500 to 1000, so let's check 500. Yes, it is looking good, but still we can see some lines while changing. So let's do it 1000. Oh, sorry. Okay, so now it's looking good. So you can also change the direction of this transition. It's 90% right now. If you want the transition to start from 45 degrees, so you just click here and now you can see the transition is coming from this side, it's going to a 45 degree angle, so it's looking nice. Now you can see the video. So these transition can change the vibe of your video. You can use these transition, even the big filmmakers also use these type of transition in their videos. I hope ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी. अगर पसंद आई हो तो लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना. और अगली वीडियो पक्का एक ब्लॉग होगा, क्योंकि ब्लॉगिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे. So till then, be safe, keep hustling and just live your life.